Hey guys, my name is James Aiken and today I'm going to show you how to make beer bread in just 5 ingredients. Let's do this. If you want to make beer bread in my way, you will need time, 3 cups of self-raising flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, dash of salt, and 2 tablespoons of honey, and a whole beer. Put 3 cups of self-raising flour into a mixing bowl and put time into a mixing bowl. Put sugar into a mixing bowl and a dash of salt, especially. Don't forget that spoon. And you need 2 tablespoons of honey. Make sure you scrape it all the way into a mixing bowl. I'm using spatula as for a change. Also, it gets sticky. Anyways, you will need a 1 whole can of beer, of your favorite beer. Open up slowly. Make sure it's not making a mess. Make sure you do it near the mixing bowl and pour it all the way into a mixing bowl. Pour all of it into a mixing bowl. Then start the machine. Sorry about that mess. Don't forget the cooking spray. Spray in a bread tin. Don't forget to use a cloth to wipe it, or use a paper towel to wipe inside the bread tin. When that's done, pour all mixture into a bread tin. Remove the air bubbles by banging. Bake it at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 minutes or 1 hour. After you take out the oven after 1 hour, let it cool for 30 minutes. After that, enjoy. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button. See you in the next video. Bye YouTubers.